Every harvest begins before the first machine moves. This crop grows tall, but it falls by effort.
Coordination always comes before speed.
One cut releases months of growth. Order begins on the ground. Rhythm replaces chaos. Steel joins tradition. Force becomes efficiency. Harvest becomes flow. Volume replaces effort.
Coordination prevents waste.
The field releases its yield. Direction gives harvest meaning. Scale demands patience.
Labor watches its result move on.
From soil to system, the journey continues.
Control matters long after harvest. Timing keeps systems aligned. Industry waits ahead. Destinations are marked by need.
Orders replacement motion.
Every ton is counted.
Data gives weight meaning. Verification precedes trust.
Access is granted.
The field meets the system. Placement controls flow.
Hands guide transition.
Transport ends where handling begins. Gravity becomes the first machine.
Flow replaces storage.
Motion gives direction. Weight moves above ground. Inside, systems take over. Raw material meets order. Control protects continuity. One harvest, many paths.
human presence stays essential.
Accumulation precedes movement. Release is measured. Environment adapts to purpose. Repetition creates reliability. Handling begins in earnest. Cleaning begins with movement. What doesn't belong leaves first.
Purity improves flow. Details matter at scale.
Weight determines direction. Separation preserves efficiency. Order is corrected, not forced.
Human judgment refines machines.
Hidden risks are filtered.
Prepared systems prevent failure. Elevation organizes movement. Repetition creates reliability. Cleanliness is enforced. Efficiency extends beyond material. Preparation nears completion. Scale demands strength. The system takes full control. Core handling begins with strength. Balance protects continuity. Measurement replaces assumption. Stability is engineered.
Evenness prevents congestion.
Flow changes paths, not pace. Storage becomes movement. Mass demands authority. Gravity organizes volume. Volume waits in structure. Nothing truly stands still. Consistency is achieved. Preparation protects quality. Strength supports flow. Core handling completes its task. Automation prepares the next stage. Transformation begins with control.
Awareness replaces estimation.
Balance is maintained automatically.
Strength carries momentum. Gravity is managed, not trusted. Scale increases without interruption. Pause exists without stopping. Systems think faster than steel. Correction preserves continuity.
Environment shapes readiness.
Mass becomes momentum.
Strength is built into space.
Human oversight seals stability.
Consistency is achieved. Purpose changes. Flow continues. Automation begins with awareness. Measurement replaces estimation. Flow is guided, not forced. Every movement is visible. Information travels instantly. Spacing preserves rhythm. Prevention is silent success. Orientation prepares precision. Small corrections matter. Readiness replaces reaction. Records build accountability. Stability is visible. Automation hands off seamlessly. Precision awaits preparation. Precision begins where control is absolute. Uniformity is engineered gently. Boundaries protect flow. Balance protects quality. Preparation eliminates error. Accuracy is verified, not assumed. Movement remains uninterrupted. Stability becomes visible. Momentum signals completion. Preparation hands over to proof. Clean systems reflect discipline.
The end approaches without pause.
Proof begins where precision ends. Quality begins with careful observation. Every surface tells a story.
Hidden risks are filtered early.
Human judgment completes automation. Proof requires examination. Inside reveals condition. Balance protects storage. Records preserve accountability. Approval restores momentum. Proof returns to flow. Consistency defines trust. Oversight completes verification. Confidence moves forward.
Verification is complete.
Storage is movement slowed, not stopped. Volume is organized by design. Mass waits in structure. Nothing remains still for long. Direction returns to the harvest. Machines prepare the exit. Precision matters at the end. The harvest changes hands. Records release the load. The journey continues. Systems never rest. A product stands prepared. From field to facility.
And this is how modern factories handle sugarcane from start to finish.
Scale defines the journey.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.